Whoa, a long time no see. Hey guys, it is Sage and welcome back to another video. As you can see, there have been some changes. I've been gone for I think like 2 months. So what had happened was basically life. I was in the process of switching jobs because the last job I had, the management was horrible. It was just so immature and toxic, and I can't really deal with immaturity and people who it was just like high school. They just acted like they were in high school. It was very annoying, and I just don't tolerate stuff like that. So I switched jobs and I'm now at a new job. I was planning to post more consistently on YouTube, and then I got an email from Apple saying that my particular MacBook model got a recall for the battery because apparently there was a hazard that it could catch fire. So I brought it to the Jump Plus store, which is an Apple affiliate store, to get it fixed. And they showed me a picture of the battery, and this is how it looks. So it was literally swollen. So the guy said I had to get it fixed ASAP because it could literally explode at any moment. So I had to get that done, so I didn't have anything to edit with. But now I literally got my laptop back today, so I'm recording. But yeah, I finally finished redoing my room. If you guys want a room tour, let me know and I'll do that. But I'm literally even more in love with my room than I thought it could be. My room is the place that I stay majority of my time if I'm not at work, and I just it's so nice now. Not to toot my own horn, I did everything myself. Oh yeah, also I changed my channel name to Sage. I'm sorry if you guys are you missed the Curly Sage and everything, but I've been wanting to change it from that for a very, very long time. I don't know, I just feel when you see the curly this or naturally this, it's I just expect that channel to just be strictly about hair, and I want to do more stuff on my channel than just hair. You guys know I like doing skits and stuff like that. I'm still going to do hair videos, but I don't know, I just wanted to change it, so it's Sage now, that's it. But as you can see in the title and in the thumbnail, and right now I'm going to be doing a quick tutorial on a hairstyle that I've been wearing pretty frequently. When I don't have my crochet in, then I usually just do hairstyles like this with clip-ins. Yes, I have clip-ins in right now. They blend really well with my hair. I usually use clip-ins just to add a bit of fullness. So these are the same clip-ins that I've done a video on before, Curls Curls. And I literally just went through the process of giving a lot of my wigs and hair away. So I gave majority of my wigs and clip-ins and extensions away, and I donated them. So I literally just kept one curly wig, which is my go-to one. I kept one straight wig, and I kept one set of clip-ins, and I kept the Curls Curls ones because those ones match my curl pattern the best out of all of the other ones I had. Yeah, I'm just going to show you guys how I accomplished this cute half up, half down style. And here we go. Okay, so I'm starting on, I don't know what to call this. Basically, I literally trimmed my hair today. I cut off probably 2 inches just because I really needed a trim. I was contemplating between trimming it myself or going to a professional, and I just did it myself. I still might go to a professional just to shape it up a bit, or just to trim off anything else that I missed. I kind of want to start from scratch and just cut off any dead damaged hair that's weighing my hair down, just so I can retain length. I washed my hair, I deep conditioned, rinsed the deep conditioner out, then I put in some Hawaiian Silky, and this has been my go-to product lately. I actually bought this originally for my crochet hair because people said it makes it more manageable. But this actually is the GOAT. It makes my hair feel so good, and it retains moisture nobody's business. I'm going to be buying another bottle of it. It's almost done, but I used some of this in my hair, and I just used a wide tooth comb and combed it through, then use my fingers, let it almost dry, and then I went to go pick up my laptop, and I just did a really quick style where I just kind of pulled it back like this and let that part hang out, and I used those clampy clips, and I just clamped it like that, and then I went out and picked up my laptop. Wearing it like that kind of stretched the front out a bit, so it looks a bit more straight here, just because when I did that hairstyle my hair was not dry all the way. So that's how I got this. And I also got a new tattoo, as you can see. And my mom actually doesn't know I got it yet. If you have seen the video where my mom, who is Jamaican, found out about this tattoo, which was my first one, and I hid it from her for 2 years. Yeah, I'm very, very scared to show this to her, but my friend said I should record her reaction, so I'm going to. I'm so scared. I actually have to record her reaction before this video goes up because my hands are going to be like this constantly, like doing my hair, so she's gonna see it. So wish me luck. I'm literally so scared. So as I said, I'm going to be using my clip-ins from CurlsCurls. I've already done a video on them like months ago. So their clip-ins do come with enough clip-ins for your full head of hair, but I very rarely like do clip-ins for my full head of hair. If I want like a really long look to just elongate my hair, I just wear a wig, but they do come with enough for that. I usually just use clip-ins for like volume and a bit of length. So like I said, I have all of these other clip-ins that it comes with, but I don't need them. So when I do this hairstyle, I literally only use 2 clip-ins, that's all, and I cut them down to like match the length of my hair, if that makes sense. So literally all I do is first section off the front part for my bun. And you guys are probably wondering, like, but your hair looks perfectly good just like that. Like, why do you have to add the clip-ins? Yeah, my hair right now looks pretty full because I did not stretch it, but when I do stretch it, it doesn't look this full. I wish it did. But to get this fullness when my hair is stretched, I have to wait until like the 2nd or 3rd day. But after that, I just then do my bun. So I tie the hair tie around like so. Okay, and after that, I then just fluff out my hair just to make the bun big. And kind of tuck the hair in on itself, and then I'll just wrap the hair tie around. And just kind of fluff it out, and there we go. So I do like a really messy bun at the top, and as I said, sometimes I do just wear it out just like this, but that's when my hair is stretched because like most naturals, I have like 3 different curl patterns on my head. So the back of my hair, like here, and then the very front is more loose. So like the curls here are more like 3C, and then the curls in the very middle of my hair are super tight. This is like the driest, tightest part of my hair. Like this, this is my struggle area. So this is like a 4B here. Here shrinks up a lot more than here does. So this is like 4B, and then everywhere else is 4A. So I think majority of my hair is 4A. The very, very back is 3C, and the very, very front is 3C. Yeah, I have like 3 different curl patterns. It's a struggle, but you gotta do what you gotta do. You gotta deal with it. You gotta love it. So after that, if you guys can see, so right here, my hair is a bit thinner. I don't know if you can tell. So I put a clip in like right here to just match the fullness on the sides. So that place is usually where I'll put the first clip in. And for that spot, I'll just use a clip in that just has 2 clips on it. And I already cut it to like match the length of that hair. And then for the second clip-in, as I said, I only use 2 when I'm doing this hairstyle. I use a clip-in that has 3 clips, so it's a bit longer. And then I'll put that closer to the top, just to like kind of combat that shrinkage right there. So I'll just section off the top area. So this will be the hair that covers the clip-in. Then I'll just take it and clip it in. Then I'll just put my hair down over it. And the sides of my hair, as you can see, blend very well with the clip-ins. Like, this is the clip-in, this is my hair. Like, it literally blends like seamlessly. But for this part that is a bit more tightly curled, I then just go in with my Hawaiian Silky and just use it to activate my curls and kind of blend it in. And that is how it is looking after I blend it in. Literally blends seamlessly. So literally just those two clip-ins added like a tiny bit of length and just a lot of volume and thickness. Again, you don't have to use the clip-ins to achieve this, but I just prefer how it looks with a bit more volume and fullness. And my baby hairs are pretty much already done, but after that step I would then just take some gel, do my baby hairs. They're pretty much done. I don't do anything crazy with them. Literally anytime I do a hairstyle with these clip-ins, everyone always asks like, oh, what do you use on your hair? Oh my gosh, your curls are so defined. It's like, yes, they are. But yeah, that's all I do. I will have CurlsCurls info down below. I think I have a coupon code from them for my last video. If I do and it still works, I'll put it down below. Thanks so much for watching. As always, it's Sage, signing out. Peace.